snow is falling down, and it is cold outside.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do 2 Christmas signs. So first we have this wooden piece here that I picked up from Joann's Fabric. It actually comes with 5 in a pack. And we're going to use this linen white chalk paint here by Rust-Oleum. And you can pick this up at Walmart. And we're going to use another wall sticker that I picked up from the Dollar General. And of course your sponge brush. Okay, so we're just going to paint the whole front board white, and we're going to leave the back part the natural color. Okay.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a...
Alright guys, so I'm back, and as you can see the board is dry. I only did 1 coat so you can see. I wanted the wood color to still kind of show through the white. So we're going to take our wall sticker here. I just love these wall stickers. They're just the cutest. And what we're going to do is, just like all the rest of them that we've done before, you're just going to lay it out however you want it laid out on your board. So I'm going to start up here with the top piece, and we're just going to lay it out on the board, and it's just simple. You just peel off and stick down. No glue needed or anything. You can Mod Podge it if you want. So here is the final piece after everything is down. And I think it turned out so pretty. So we're going to put a hanger on it. Okay, we're going to get you some jute rope. But it's not twine, the rope. And just cut it off a piece. I was trying to decide if I wanted to hang it or not, but I think it looks cute hanging. So you just cut your piece, not a long piece, because you don't want it. You want to make sure it hangs right. And you're just going to take your hot glue gun and just glue it down, both sides. And make sure you put a generous amount of hot glue, so once you hang it up, it don't go falling and coming loose. So I just make sure I use a very nice amount of hot glue. Press down on it to make sure it sticks. It doesn't take long for it to dry though. Okay, and just test it. Looks like it's dry to me. Just put a little bit more. Okay, so that's all to that right there. Just make sure it's secured down. Very good. Oh, I had to get another glue stick because mine had ran out. So I'm just giving it an extra dab of glue. Okay, and so there you have your final piece. I think it looks beautiful. Love it. Okay, so now we're here to our second DIY. But first, I want to discuss my announcement. I finally reached 100 subscribers, and I am so excited. This journey has been so much fun, and I appreciate everyone that has subscribed to my channel. So I'm going to give a $25 gift card. It can be to Dollar Tree, Amazon, or whatever. Only thing you have to do is just make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and make a comment. And that's it. You have until next Friday, November the 13th, to make yours comment on this video. So I wish everybody good luck. Share this video. Share it, share it, share it. So it can help my channel grow. I really appreciate you guys for just subscribing and watching my videos. It means so much to me. So much. So with that being said, we're going to get started on our second DIY. Okay, so I decided to use this fat quarter piece here instead of the other napkin. What? That not a napkin. Whatever that is, I was going to use, and we're going to use the the metal word pieces from Dollar Tree. So we're just going to take out your I got this from Walmart out of the fabric section. I think it was like 99 cents, and it's what they call a fat quarter. I don't know much about material and measurement, but I used this one because you can't see through the fabric. So when I use it, you won't be able to see the snowman and all that other stuff on it. Oh, and also I wanted to tell you guys, I guess I must have lost the footage on it, but you can remove the glitter that be on the front. So what you're going to do here is just trace around your bail so you can cut out the fabric. Okay, so I've traced my bail, and so now I'm just going to cut around my fabric, and we're going to come back, and I'm going to show you guys just how we're going to put this down. Oh, and you need your parchment paper also. Okay, so here's your parchment paper. Now, I lost a piece of the footage. What I did was I actually Mod Podged the bail first before I put the fabric on there, and I let the Mod Podge dry totally. Then, right here where we're at, I am putting the fabric down and then the parchment paper on top. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need your iron. Make sure your fabric is lined up evenly. And so I learned this from another YouTuber. I can't remember from who. And so you're going to take your iron and you're going to run it across the parchment paper. So once again, I took my Mod Podge and I just put Mod Podge on the bail first and let it dry. Then I came and put the material on top, like we're doing now, with the parchment paper and running the iron over. This method here saves you from having wrinkles, because if you ever use Mod Podge on something and once you lay it down, you get wrinkles and bubbles. But this way right here gives you a smooth surface. I really hate that I missed I don't know what happened to the footage of me doing that. But you see how flat and smooth it is? So you just make sure you go all around the edges so your glue, and what happens is your glue melts with your material. So it just gives it a smooth finish. I love it. I would not be doing Mod Podge and paper and fabric any other way except this way, because I hate to see the bubbles and stuff in it. It just bothers me so bad. So this way here you have a smooth surface. So you can use your iron. I've seen some people use the heat gun. I haven't tried it that way. So you see how smooth it looks? I mean, it's just smooth. No wrinkles, no anything. I'm dusting off glitter, you guys, from when I took the glitter off the sign. So you may have a few edges that you need to trim up. That's fine. It's up to you. However you want to do it. And so now what we're going to take our hot glue gun and we're going to add our piece back that we took off So we just gonna remove some of that paper there. If I can get it off. There we go. There we go. And we're gonna add the hot glue. Now be careful because the hot glue is hot, and once it hits this metal, it just gets extra hot. So be careful so you don't burn yourself. Okay. And we're just going to place it back down. And it looks like it was never removed. I think this DIY here is just the cutest and the easiest one ever. Just amazing. You can just transform one sign into another sign. Okay, so now we're going to use our metal words, and you get these from Dollar Tree. And it comes 3 in a pack, just like they did they had for the fall season. So this one has, I believe, joy, and hope or something in it. So you're just going to take your glue gun and you're just going to put it dab in certain areas. And you have to move quickly because, you know, this hot glue dries so fast. So just flip it around, and I'm going to kind of cattle corner it with a little slant. And I just think that silver just looks so good against that red and black buffalo plaid. Oh, it's just beautiful. Check, whatever it is. It just looks so good. I just love it. So you're just making sure that it's secured down. And once again, like I said, you know, that glue and metal gets hot. So this is how it looks, you guys. I think it looks so pretty. I just love the silver up against it. Okay. So here's our first DIY. I think that looks so high end to me. And here's our second one. Once again, that silver against that black and red is just beautiful. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you always know when I upload my new video. Bye, guys.